Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to share your app editing access with others in Hostinger Horizons Web App Builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then from this little person or this little account icon on this corner, click on it and select account sharing. Go to grant access and click on this grant access button. Who do you give access to? Here, fill in your editor email address and select the role or the permissions you want to give. You have two permissions. The first one is the admin or the collaborator. With an admin permission, he can manage services and make purchases using added payment methods. And if you give only a collaborator, he can manage services but can't make purchases. I will go with the second one. Now select the services to manage. Here I will select or I will go with this web hosting plan that includes my web app built using Horizons. Click on grant access. As you can see, access email has been sent. This is the collaboration invitation that your editor will receive. As you can see, this is my web app account email address has invited you to collaborate by sharing access to their account. Accept the invitation by clicking the button below. All you need to do is to click this accept invitation button before the first 48 hours. Let's verify that I am human. If your editor or collaborator does not have an Hostinger account, he need to create one. In my case, I already have a Hostinger account with this email address, so I will just log in. If you only have a single invitation, you will see it here, but in my case, I have multiple invitations, so I will click on view more, and this is the email address I sent the invitation from. Click on manage services. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain. Also, SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, I am now managing the other account hosting plan. And let's go to websites, click on websites list. And just like that, I can see my other account web app available to edit it. And to edit it, just click on edit web app button next to it. And I can now start using or updating or editing my app, and I can publish it from here. Here's an important note on using Horizons across multiple tabs. If you open the same Horizons project in more than one browser tab, you'll likely run into errors. To avoid issues, just stick to editing one specific project in one tab at a time. However, if you open different Horizons projects in different tabs, that's totally fine. The web app is built to handle that without any problems. Now let's see how to delete access or change the permission levels with people you granted access. This is the original account or the account or the hosting account that have my web apps. Same thing, click on this little account from the corner and select account sharing. Go to the grant access tab. And as you can see, this is the other account I invited into this project. This is the access type, the status is active, and if I to delete access or to remove this access, just click on these three dots and select remove access. Before that, I will click on this edit button. As you can see, I can edit the access permissions. For example, I can edit the permission roles from collaborator to admin, and also I can add another service to grant access or delete this one. Click after that, don't forget to hit the save changes. Now let's click on this remove access button. As you can see, you will remove any granted access to your account for this email address. Click on remove, and just like that, the access that the editor or collaborator has is not available anymore. And that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and see you in the next video.